Hello, family shenanigans. We have actually had a plant sprout in our arrow garden. It has been 5 days, but we have been early because it actually said it was supposed to sprout in 6 days.
And that's the basil.
That's the basil. And you could take this off and we could show you the inside of the plant.
Yay! Our first little arrow basil.
And if you look at the mint, it actually says it's supposed to sprout in 6 days through 10 days. So I'm very excited for the mint too.
Did the mint start, or do you see anything in it?
No, Mom.
Not yet. Okay.
Bye.
Don't forget,
to like, subscribe, and comment.
it helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to ring that bell if we have any new videos.